You're listening to the Beans and Dice podcast, a podcast about how we game.
What you got, Rob? What you playing?
Take this.
Played a little Nidavellir.
You're in a tavern. You're recruiting these dwarves to come do work for you, and getting points for set collection. You're bidding to try to recruit the dwarves. It's a pretty cool game. You got heroes, or
They're upside down.
oh, upside down. Oh, sorry, you can see them. I can't.
That's why we keep Jim around.
Special cards.
Alright, Nidavellir on the table. Escape
Yes, it
Wintercon.
What's playing, Zeno?
Heroes of Land, Air, and Sea.
Okay, I'm gonna march. So I'm gonna use this pyramid special ability to take me over here.
How dare you?
And then I get, that's just one bread? That is just one bread. I found a bread in the desert, people.
Yeah.
I'm gonna march again. Sure. Going to the old swamp here.
Alright, one token at a time.
One token at a time.
You must immediately lose one unit there.
Draw back 2 cards.
Good.
Can you take one of those? Oh yeah. So that's my 2 actions and the card that I.
I don't know where yet, but I'm definitely gonna build a village bunker. I'm gonna put it here and get the 6.
Will, is it your first time playing?
No, it's like my 3rd or 4th. I love
You
this.
gave it 3 and 4 times.
I love this game, yeah.
You love it?
I own it, yeah.
Okay. It's beautiful. All right, Kai, how many times have you played Dice Throne?
This is the 3rd.
Is this your first time playing the Marvel Dice Throne?
No, 3rd time playing this one.
You like this one?
Yeah, I played it a little bit yesterday.
Yeah, we played a little bit.
Alright, so I'm going to go here. Trade these 2 in for and then I'm going to get 8 points. Can you move me 8?
Oh, 8?
I guess I'm gonna go here.
Converted some stuff.
It's gonna give me a purple. And give me 2 money, and mommy, you get something.
2 points. Ed, what are you playing?
Shadowstar Corsairs.
What is it, Ed?
Mini fleet, spaceship, zone control, resource production. It's actually kind of short. I'm at level 1 of each resource type. So I'm going to take a parts action and produce parts on my ship. Then I'm going to take a transfer to put it in my shuttle. I'm going to take a personnel action to drop a crew member on the location so I now control it. I have 4 points of movement. I am going to move 1, 2, 3.
First place scores 3 victory points flat. 3 victory points flat. However, pay for free. Cool? Okay. Now, when you take a card, you must have those tags in your tableau.
Okay.
In order to play it, but not to take it.
So this is like now you will make. Listen, you will make now. Who has more influence?
So I understand this town cannot actually be here, right?
Oh no, it could go anywhere around the city. It could go there.
But they can't.